In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add social media icons to WordPress menus. You can easily link your social media to the WordPress menu. While WordPress doesn't have a built-in social media section, you can actually just use a plugin to do this. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Menu Image and press Enter. Right here, this is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button is going to change to Activate. So click on it to activate the plugin. And once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the plugin settings page. These are going to be the image sizes, but you don't need to make any changes here. Just go to Appearance and click on Menu. Expand the Custom Links option. In the URL section, add the URL of your social media site. And in the link text, enter the name of the site. Then click on Add to Menu. And once it's added to the menu, click on Save Menu. And now, whenever you hover over the menu option, you can see the menu image setting. Click on it to expand the settings. Here you can select if you want to add an image or an icon. If you choose image, then you can select the image from here. For now, I'll select icon. So when I click on icon, you can see that I have an option to select from a bunch of different icons. Select the icon for the respective social media site. Since I linked my Facebook in the menu, I'm going to choose the Facebook icon. Then just click on Save Changes. And then once you link all your social media sites, you can click on Save Menu. And then head over to the website to see how it looks. And so, as you can see, the social media icons were added to the menu successfully. This is how you can add social media icons to your WordPress menus. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.